Me da asese oje bread twan me mo sonfo akwiantwa na mgina me na asese abre adwumako esomase ene me di dwumadi ebroye obatampa travel to express consultancy for na esomase edise adwumadi ebre opese otu kwan a obenya ahotoso mpa mesro omoline no egu screen en from batampa na oni omo eni enkomofa wakwantu sem na obakwakodu asomdwe mu na busumi a September 10th no ye nua ba ojuntuni oso no tiatia kokko fefefe a waye dread a friend Wendy Shay fantini aba yo fefefe friend Wendy Shay onya accident bi wo kwa benya kwan so ana chese ano odin papa na chese na yamfa mpaibo anye yi anka ye nua be ehwere ne nkwa ano odin na we no ankasa ebeche fidie so ba akoko ase accident na wonya na obia edi nani akoso a ne manager no sremu ono ankasa nimbe bia eguo ni fi anana ote ono ankasa nimbe bia prot no nkrofo a prot afa no epese eguyi ni fi atiasefo asase so we dia no odin oyi ne mmaso atwitwatwa ne ne tie ball cast ya no na chese eye nyame na ebe mu anka ye nua ba Wendy Shay ehwere ne nkwa chese emu odin na so nyame akaye edi afufima ye nua be otiase me so ye nkwohwe ono ankasa ne no musama obode mai.
So you released Everyone Cheating
first September.
1st September. And soon afterwards,
10 days later,
you had an accident.
I had an accident. Yeah. So
this accident, where were you going?
I was going home. I had finished creating the content to promote my new song, Everyone Cheats, and then I passed by my label mate, Kiki Marley, just to say hi, you know.
Is she still around?
Yeah,
She's still with Rocktown?
She is, you know, just to help her with her content as well.
Okay.
And then on my way home, all of a sudden, you know, I had to branch to my junction, and all of a sudden I felt like a big push, and I almost lost control. But
you were driving?
Yes. And I remember all I was screaming was Jesus, because it happened so fast. I didn't know what was going on. And then I entered into a gutter. So that was why I realized, okay, I think I'm safe. So I didn't even realize when my head hit the dashboard. But all of a sudden, I realized that I was blacking out. And so they had to rush me to the hospital. I survived the, you know, nasal bone fracture. Had my face everywhere was swollen. So right now I'm good. You know, I have a little this.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
So I covered it.
It's covered with the spectacle.
With the spectacle. I mean, I for what happened, the kind of accident that happened, it was very severe and serious. For me to be here, it's by God's grace. You know, it's actually funny to me. That's why I'll say it once again. Those who wanted to kill me, they know themselves. They know themselves, and they're trying to put it on bullet. It is not bullet. They know themselves. It wasn't like a normal attack. It wasn't a natural. No, it wasn't. Because of... I mean, I had an interview where I was saying... I was actually advising young musicians who want to get into the industry, you know, who wanted to do music like I did, that, hey, music is not, you know, the music industry is not just music, you know, for passion. You should actually take your spirituality serious, because it's really dark. And after that interview, about 2-3 days later, I had this accident. How can a big tipper truck hit a Wrangler? People are saying, the Wrangler is strong. Okay, whatever. But the tipper truck rather somersaulted.
Hey.
Yes. The tipper truck rather somersaulted, and the car was like totally condemned and, you know, conquered. I feel like it was like more of a David and Goliath fight. Because how can you come and hit me and I'm still standing, and you having it, you know, your tipper truck
is rather falling.
Yes, and then it was loaded with rocks.
Hey.
Yes, that is how serious the accident was. But thank God, here I am. You know,
the other lady with you,
yeah,
how's she?
She's fine. She's fine. That's it.
That was you. Beautiful you.
Yeah,
wow.
She's fine.
That's your
That's
PA,
my assistant, yeah.
your assistant. Okay.
She's fine.
Wow.
She's fine by God's will. Everybody, you know, like, I think I was the one who was injured because it hit my side. But thank God, you know, thank God.
Did you have every check, internal,
Everything,
stuff? Okay.
both of us, everyone is
Thank
fine.
God.
Everyone
Thank God.
is
Now,
fine.
let's get a bit deeper. You claim the people that wanted to do it, the people that wanted to take your life. It means you believe that there is some sort of spiritual attack.
Of course, I've said this several times that.
Why do you believe so? As
Because
a child
I know.
of God?
Because I know so. Even it is written in the Bible that we have an enemy. We have an enemy who is after us. And then people trying to blame it on an innocent man who actually wants the best for me.
Can it? Oh, for me, I even want to put that aside. You know what I'm saying? Could it be a natural cause? Yeah, out of negligence. Let's say, well, his brakes failed, or he lost control, or anything could have happened. I'm just assuming.
You just assume.
Right? Could it be, or can you just say, well, it was just a natural cause of negligence? Let's say he was drunk, right?
No, he wasn't.
No,
No,
I'm
he
saying,
wasn't.
let's just say, right? Can something just happen without blaming it necessarily on spiritism or spirituality?
I am actually somebody who is very, very logical. You know, I am very diplomatic. I like to weigh things, but then I know where I'm talking. I know where I'm coming from, and I know what I'm talking about.
Have you gone to check with any deity
No,
or
I
any
mean,
prophet?
What I can say is that those who know, they know themselves. They know themselves, and I'm not going to talk about. Yes, I am. I'm not going to mention. Yes, I am, and I'm not going to mention it. It can come from everywhere. I mean, it could come from everywhere, but I'm not going to mention their names or sit here and say, okay, this and that. No, I'm not going. But they know themselves.
Do you get scared sometimes?
No, I'm not, because I'm a child of God. You can never kill me until God says so.
I pray that God protects you.
Amen.
I mean, I like you so much that, guys, if you've not seen the video of Wendy's accident, the aftermath, we're showing it for you to see it on our live feed on Facebook. Did you hear the reports that came afterwards?
Like what?
Oh, like what happened? There was a video I saw. There was a commentary. Someone saying that you came out screaming your head and what? Do you think they were exaggerating?
It was really, really severe. They weren't exaggerating. It was close to fatal. You know, I think it was actually just no one got. Thank God,
take it easy
no
now.
one died.
All of a sudden, your voice is shaking.
No, because it was a very big shock. I didn't see it coming. You understand? And sometimes when I remember, I'm like, wow, thank you, Jesus, because I remember exactly how the scene was. But like I said, you know, it's by the grace of God I am here. You know, when you are close to you see yourself like, I could have been dead in a twinkle of an eye. It's actually quite scary, but I'm not scared. Because he who is in me is greater than he who is in the world.
Kewa says, Wendy is wise.
Thank you.
100%.
Thank you, Prof. Thank you, Prof.
There are lots of comments coming in for you. For me, as I said, I pray that God protects you, and I just pray to God to keep you here.
Amen.
Because look, you have a sweet voice.
Thank you.
And I, at least I've experienced you personally. I think you're a sweet soul.
Thank you.
And a humble soul.
Thank you.
Not because you're here. I know what I'm saying. Cassie Kingsley says, please tell Wendy I'm available and I live in Belgium. Are you looking for one?
Right now,
Okay, I'll find you a boyfriend who will marry you. We don't want any chop and go matter here.
Right now, I am,
You're
actually, I'm still, I'm a survivor, and right now, let me just calm down from, everything I've gone through. Right now, my mind no day relationship top.
Me da se oje bread twen me mo somfo akua ntwa na sabre me de sa dwumedi e de brewa onye bi hwe makra.